So this is the 3 years ago. Hi everybody, BIMZ here. On today's video, I'm gonna unbox this prime package I got today. So there you go. We'll see what is this. Oh wow, okay. Ta-da! It is my sound card. Aha! So it's supposed to be wonderful when it comes. Alright, let's check it out. What's in the box? Alright. Oh wow. So it comes with a microphone. Like this. And then the sound card itself. Ta-da! Wow. It's got all kinds of plug-ins in the back. Yeah. So that's nice. Okay, and it comes with a little manual. Alright, what else do we have? Oh, okay. So the rest we have, of course, 1, 2, 3 wires. We got 4 wires, 2 red and 2 black. They're all C and USB. This one is C and C, so that's that. And then what we got here? Oh, a little stand for the microphone. That's nice. A little stand. There you go. And headset. Little headset and microphone holder and the wire itself. There you go. That is what inside the box for my sound card. And all right, that's it for this one. We will assemble it and see how it works. So wonderful. Oh, it comes with BM800 microphone. This is BM. Oh yeah, that's right. This is BM800 microphone. Okay.